Today, I want to share with you a very special conversation, full of care and experience, in which I will talk about 10 natural drinks that can help enhance the response of our intimate members in just a few minutes. Before we begin, I kindly ask you to like this video and subscribe to the channel, as lately the YouTube algorithm has not been recommending our content, and your support is essential for more people to benefit from these wisdom-filled and affectionate tips. I would like to start by talking about pomegranate juice. This fruit, highly valued for its high levels of antioxidants, has earned a special place in both traditional medicine and recent studies highlighting its vasodilatory properties. Personally, I have found that pomegranate not only enhances the beauty of our dishes, but also helps improve blood circulation, which has a positive impact on the function of our intimate members. To prepare it, I select 2 or 3 ripe pomegranates, wash them carefully, and cut them open to extract their seeds. Then, I place the seeds in a blender with a little natural water, about 100 milliliters, and, if desired, add a small amount of pure honey for sweetness. I blend the mixture until I obtain a homogeneous liquid, and if I prefer a smoother texture, I strain it. This juice is ideal for consumption on an empty stomach or mid-morning, as its antioxidants promote blood vessel elasticity, which can result in a faster and more energetic response during intimate moments. I fondly remember when I included this juice in my routine and started feeling renewed energy, something that filled me with optimism and made me appreciate the power of nature even more. Watermelon juice. Following the same theme, I want to talk about watermelon juice, a refreshing and vitality-filled drink. Besides being delicious on hot days, watermelon contains citrulline, a special nutrient that converts into arginine and later into nitric oxide, facilitating blood vessel dilation. To prepare this juice, I choose a ripe and juicy watermelon, cut it into pieces, and remove the rind and the harder parts. Then, I place everything in the blender and blend until I get a smooth juice. To give it a special touch, I like to add a few fresh mint leaves or a slice of lemon, which enhances its flavor and increases its refreshing properties. I prefer to drink it well chilled, with natural ice, in the middle of the day or in the afternoon, especially during hot seasons. Over the years, I have noticed that this drink not only hydrates me, but also gives me a natural boost, making me feel more alive and with a more effective response in special moments. Ginger tea. Another great ally is ginger tea, an infusion that always reminds me of the times when natural medicine was the foundation of our well-being. Ginger, this miraculous root, is known for its stimulating and anti-inflammatory properties. To prepare it, I take a small piece of fresh ginger, about 2 to 3 centimeters, and finely chop or grate it to release its active compounds. Then, I place it in a cup and pour 250 milliliters of boiling water over it, letting the infusion steep for 5 to 10 minutes. If the flavor is too strong, I add a teaspoon of natural honey or a few drops of lemon. Sometimes, I prefer to strain it to remove any solid residue. I like to drink this tea warm, in the morning or afternoon, as it dilates the blood vessels and relieves tension, helping me maintain physical and emotional balance. Banana and cocoa smoothie. In my search for tasty and healthy combinations, I discovered the banana and cocoa smoothie, a delicious mix that comforts and energizes the heart. Banana, rich in potassium, pairs perfectly with the antioxidants in pure cocoa. To prepare it, I choose a very ripe banana, which provides natural creaminess, and add a tablespoon of natural cocoa powder, preferably unsweetened. Then, I place everything in the blender with 200 milliliters of plant-based milk, almond, oat, or coconut, and blend until I obtain a smooth and pleasant texture. A touch of cinnamon not only enhances the flavor, but also adds anti-inflammatory properties. If necessary, I lightly sweeten it with a bit of natural honey. I prefer to drink this smoothie for breakfast or as a mid-morning snack, as its ingredients relax blood vessels and improve blood flow to intimate areas. Ginseng tea. Another elixir that has accompanied me for years is ginseng tea, a natural energy source from Eastern medicine. Ginseng is known for its revitalizing properties, improving circulation, and stimulating the nervous system, resulting in a more efficient response of intimate members. To prepare it, I use a ginseng tea bag or slices of the root, boil 250 milliliters of water, Pour it over the ginseng and let it steep for 5 to 8 minutes. To soften the taste, I add honey or a few drops of lemon. I like to drink this beverage in the morning as it helps me start the day with vigor and serenity. Other incredible drinks. Beetroot juice, rich in natural nitrates. It improves tissue oxygenation. Blueberry juice, packed with antioxidants. It protects blood vessels and promotes circulation. Spinach and lemon juice strengthens the immune system and stimulates circulation. Passion fruit tea, known for its calming properties, it helps reduce stress and anxiety. Maca infusion, an energizing Andean secret and aphrodisiac that boosts vitality and circulation. Conclusion: by sharing these drinks, my intention is not just to provide recipes and remedies, but also to invite you to take care of yourselves holistically, nourishing both body and mind. Throughout life, I have learned that well-being comes from the union between natural elements and self-love. Each of these preparations is a way to reconnect with that essence. It is important to remember that before making any dietary or treatment changes, consult a healthcare professional, as each body is unique and deserves personalized attention. I speak with the sincerity of someone who has lived a life full of experiences and studies, discovering the power of nature. Taking care of intimate health is part of our overall well-being, and harmony between mind, body, and spirit is cultivated daily. Every sip of these preparations is an opportunity to connect with nature and remember that a fulfilling life is built with small acts of love and dedication. Thank you for joining me in this special conversation. I send you a huge hug filled with gratitude and hope, and I wish you all a life full of health and deep moments of connection with what truly matters.